Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal. So on our road trip journey, we are in another iconic city. We are in the city of Nashik, and here we are going to be one of the iconic eateries called Divtya Budla. It is famous for its mutton and non-veg preparation. Welcome to the channel, and as always, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and leave in the comment if you tasted something tasty like this. So you can see the restaurant is called Divtya Budla Vada. It is on Gangapur Road in Nashik, and what we're going to taste here are some absolutely Maharashtrian nice spicy recipes of mutton and chicken. So their mutton thali is supposed to be one of the best dishes, so we will order that and a couple of more along with it. Let's see, it's a nice, relaxed, open type restaurant, so we'll show you the ambience as well. So our first dish of the day is the paya soup. This is a soup made of lamb or of goat trotters or paya. It's a very mild but gelatinous soup. Let's taste it and see. Nice, not very spicy, but it has a good punch of flavor. And then you have this gelatinous part which you can taste. Piping hot. This is something warms you up on a winter day. So we are here on Sunday and the place is absolutely packed. So you're going to see a lot of people around. But nevertheless, good food. A good crowd means a good food. So we're going to taste that good food as well. So our absolutely delicious looking Divtya Budla thali is here. This is a mutton special thali, and it will have preparation of mutton curry. It has some keema. It has a egg curry. It has a half egg into it. It has mutton sukka. It got some rice, and it comes with a bhakri. So this is jwarichi bhakri, which comes with it. And we have ordered for some bheja fry or the lamb brain masala as well. So we will taste everything and see how is it. The first one we will start with the keema. So in Marathi there is a word for it. English dictionary cannot make justice with it. It's called zanzanit. So it is spicy and it is opening all your senses. Nice soft mutton. Let us try the sukha now. Nice small pieces of mutton. They have used the black and the garam masala mixture for it. So let me try some bhakri along with the mutton sukka. Look at the mutton. It is absolutely coming off the bone. Let us try that. Whenever you taste a meat, a good meat, when you cook it, it has that particular flavor. You can absolutely taste that rustic meaty flavor and a good combination of spices. You see the curry has got mutton meat pieces into it. A nice spicy hint. With bhakri, it tastes delicious. So let us try the brain masala. So the brain has been chopped finely and cooked with spices. Looks absolutely delicious. Let us taste. Super creamy and melting in mouth. This is how a brain should be cooked. It should just melt in mouth. It's a very soft piece of meat. Superb. Now we have got some more chicken as well here. This is Gauran chicken or the desi chicken which they make in black masala. Wow, that black masala is making its magic. It just warms you up from inside. So very nice chicken and mutton dishes. There's some egg curry which we have not tasted, so let's taste that. Spicy but tasty. So we're going to taste this with some special rice as well. So let us finish this and we'll come back to rice. So what we have ordered is Hirva masalacha sukka mutton. This is a green masala in which they have done a mutton, nice soft mutton. This is not very spicy but very flavorful. Absolutely, it feels like fresh coriander, mint paste and chutney, and in that the mutton is cooked. So this just refreshes your senses. A very contrast from the black masala and the other spicy stuff. So I must recommend this dish whenever you come here. Hirva masalacha sukka mutton and very soft mutton. So the thali also comes with a biryani, a nice long rice and mutton pieces. So we're going to taste this. But there is another rice surprise which I have planned for you in this thali, so which I will show you in a minute. But let me taste the biryani first. Yummy! Nice flavor of mutton, and you can see from my smile I'm already happy. Such a beautiful mutton thali, and there is one more surprise: how you actually eat it home style with a local rice. So let that rice come. I will show you that as well. What we have here is the local variety of rice. This is known as Indrayani, which is a sticky rice. The speciality, it has its particular aroma, and this is almost like sushi rice or a sticky rice, but it's absolutely increases the flavor when you add a mutton curry to it. So the best way to have it is add the mutton curry, mix it well, and then do a good. The rice absorbs the flavor and it tastes, this curry and rice combination tastes absolutely divine. So this another thing, if you want to enjoy this thali, it has to be eaten with hand. You need to feel the texture of the meat, you need to feel the rice grains and the gravy and enjoy. By far one of the best mutton thalis I had. So it is almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon and you can see the big queue. That shows how popular this restaurant is and how good the food is. When people come on Sunday and wait for the food, that means they are doing something right. Absolutely delicious mutton thali meal was done, and there is a reason why the name is Divta Budla. So Divti is a lamp, Budla is a canister in which you keep the oil. In Maharashtra, after the marriage, there is a specific ceremony which happens where they offer a goat or a lamb to the deity, and in that overnight function they cook the mutton, and that mutton preparation is served in this restaurant. More or less a homely style of Maharashtrian spicy mutton preparation. So we absolutely love the dishes. If you are in the city of Nashik anytime, people go to Sula Vineyard, people go to other places, but this is one of the places you must come for one of their best mutton thalis and chicken preparations. If you like this video, there will be more food vlogs coming like this. So make sure you like it, you press the bell icon so you absolutely know whenever we upload a new video. With this, as always, stay happy, stay healthy, enjoy cooking and make sure you eat well as well and keep eating.